my name's Bill, and I'm gonna be a new bird. All those guys over there are gonna introduce themselves to me.
Alright.
Now let's start off with, first, Redbird.
Hello, what's your name?
Bill.
Oh, my name's Big Red.
And what can you do?
Well, I actually do nothing, but just a little damage, but
Yeah.
I actually, make noises like caw.
And hootin', I think? Is it?
No, there's no hooting. I'm not an owl. I'm a cardinal.
Okay, let's everybody else line up, and then I'll do it by order.
Hello, what's your name?
My name's Bill. What's yours?
My name's Blue.
And wait, do you go into duplicates when you fly up the swing shaft?
Oh yeah, I sure do. Let me show you.
Okay.
Here's duplicate number 1.
Hello, fella.
Here's duplicate number 2.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, look at
Oh,
you.
thank you very much.
You're so cute.
Man, let's stop hopping today.
Okay, who's that big red guy?
Well, hold on. Well, all three of us. Well, I actually split into 3. That's what I just did. All 3 of us are eastern bluebirds.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Speedy Yellow. What's yours?
Bill.
Nice to meet you, Bill.
Thanks. What's your ability?
Well, my ability is I actually fly fast.
Who's that black guy?
Oh, hello. Who are you?
My name's Bill, and all I can do is fly and go through water.
Well, my species is a canary. Well, my species is a crow. What I actually do is when I land inside the building, I turn red, and then I blow up.
Hey, you guys want to see my tattoo?
Okay, let's see your tattoo. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Smiley face tattoo. Oh, hello.
Hi, my name's Bill. What's yours?
My name's Egg White. I like egg bombs.
Okay.
Well, I'm Black Bomber, anyway. I am a crow.
Who's those 2 guys back there in the back row?
Well, hold on. Just give me a moment. Well, I'm actually a cockatoo. Most people think I'm a chicken, but I'm not a chicken. I'm a cockatoo.
Whoa, you landed here pretty fast. What's your name?
My name's Boomerang Green.
What species?
I'm an emerald toucanet.
Are you from Africa?
No, it came from Australia.
Well, I was kind of close.
Yeah, I know. But, you're Bill, right?
Yeah.
Mason, where's your brother? Right here. We're filming. And, I actually turn around like a boomerang,
Yeah, I know. I saw you in the news.
And, yeah. Oh, sorry. That was our mom. That was our mom. Oh, no. I'm not gonna hurt you. Although I do look ferocious.
Okay.
Well, sorry. My name is Big Brother Bird.
Well, what's your ability?
Well, I crush like almost anything. I'm actually a cardinal. Just like my little brother Redbird.
But you guys look the same.
I know, 'cause we're brothers. Yeah, that's right, Big Brother Bird. We're both of us are brothers. Seriously, both brothers. Well,
Wait. Hold on.
what?
Our red bird and a lady white bird. I've seen them in the magazines.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right, Bill. I've seen her before, but I don't know. Should I be engaged with her or what? I don't know.
If you do, I'm gonna crap on your face.
Well, that's not very nice.
Okay. Who are those green guys, for crying out loud?
Can you guess what we are? What are we doing?
Laughing. Wait, I get it.
What are we?
Pigs?
Yes, but we're not pink. We're green. We're green pigs.
Well,
I'm just a regular pig. I don't wear any clothes. But it's okay. Just don't wear any clothes.
I see another guy down there, but I don't know.
But that's a pink pig.
Oh, where's my playmate? Oh, there's my playmate.
Who are you?
Well, I'm the Prince Pig. I wear a bronze crown.
I bet that's worth a lot.
Well, it only worth $1,000.
Okay,
God.
Here's a tissue.
Oh, thank you. I'm Grandpa Pig and I wear a mustache. I got blue eyes too.
Ugh. Oh gosh, what happened to you? Do you need any bandages?
No, I'm just fine. They're gonna heal soon.
Your helmet can actually come off.
What? Bill, don't help them. They're enemies.
I didn't know.
Oh well, it's okay. Well, I'm actually a helmet pig. I actually wear a helmet, although it's cracked, and I have black eyes because I got hurt during the war.
Wait, never mind. Who in the world is this big guy?
Oh, me? Oh, I'm just a jolly pig. That's all. I don't wear any clothing, just like regular pig. We're not brothers.
Do you like tacos and salsa?
Yes. And I ate too much candy when I was young. That's how I got so fat.
Okay.
Alright.
Bling, bling. Oh, I wonder who's that. Bling.
My name is Bill. And Hey, wait.
Oh, no. We're not duplicates. Pigs don't even split into duplicates. I'm just a bunny piggy. That's all.
Yeah.
Just a bunny pig.
You guys look too cute.
I know. Because we both wear bunny ears. That's all. Because we love celebrating Easter. Who wants to celebrate Easter?
No, that's not even over.
It's more close to,
Who wants to celebrate Easter?
No, it doesn't exist.
What the? Who are you?
I'm the king pig, the ruler of all the pigs.
What's your crown there made of?
Well, my crown's made out of pure carat gold. It was worth $1 million for me to buy this thing.
Really? Can I have it?
No!
Darn it.
Or else no one will worship me for king.
Well, this looks like you, but with no crown.
I know, but Jolly Pig's a bit bigger than me. Yeah, I'm actually bigger than him, because I'm so fat. Oh, what do you say? Thank you. That was so funny. Oh! 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 Alright, so, Bill, would you like to join our group?
Okay.
No, I mean the birds group. Since you're a bird, or else if you join the pigs, then you'll be enemies with them, and they steal our eggs. The pigs steal our eggs. Wait, Bill, do you lay eggs?
Yeah, but I don't know where my babies went. They're somewhere around here. Yeah, they might have been free somewhere.
That must have been grown up. But don't worry, we always lay eggs. They didn't hatch yet.
I always do eeny, meeny, miny, moe, the things I choose. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the top. I'm with you guys.
Thanks. Thank you, Bill. So I guess you're gonna stand in line with us. Here, maybe you could fly over. Okay.
Scooch over, little man.
Ow! Here, I'm just going to top you.
Okay. Well, that's comfortable. You're comfortable again. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Well, I guess we have a new bird in our group. His name is Bill the Mallard Duck. And, Sullivan?
Yeah.
Hold on. Sullivan, you're part of Mason's camera crew, right?
Yeah.
Well, Mason back here is doing the camera work right now.
Yeah.
Sometimes actually you do the camera work. Well, I guess we have to call it a day and say goodnight. Yep.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Yep. Good night. Night.